Your dear Sindhuja and her husband Sri Rajagopal, and a very, very hearty welcome to all the bhaktas who have gathered here on this auspicious Ekadasi day. A brief introduction about Sindhuja. You may all know Srimati Sindhuja is a seasoned Harikatha performer. She has over 20 years of experience in this field. She is not just an Harikatha exponent, she is a wonderful musician and she is a guru par excellence. She has trained over 200 children, not just in music but in Harikatha and also in Bharatiya Sanskrit. And recently, very recently, because she is from the US, after completing her 4 months tour, spanning over 4 months, and she is here with us today. And another 1 month in the UK. Yeah. And we are really, really happy to have you here for an exclusive gathering or all Vitala Bhaktas. And about Sindhuja's recognition which she has received over the years for her exemplary Harikatha performances. She has been awarded with the Junior Fellowship for pursuing research in the field of Harikatha by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. She has also been awarded the Kalai Valarmani from the Government of Tamil Nadu. She has received Kalaratna Award presented by Jayashree Pictures for the Harikatha series on Kanchi Sri Mahaperiva. And she has also received the Dharmatma Vaidya Subramanya Iyer Award from Sringeri Jagadguru Sanatana Dharma Vaidya Samiti. Her proficiency in Tamil, actually, because many of you are speak more than, other languages of South India, so she would be doing majorly in English, but she is highly proficient in Tamil, from Kambaramayanam to Sekidar Puranam and Devaram Tiruvasakam. She can give lectures on any topic, and about Tirukkural, you have to hear about it. She has been awarded the Tirukkural Maamani Award from World Tirukkural Forum for reciting all the 1330 Tirukkurals, and not just that, in 100 different ways. So we would love to hear you in Tamil, but because of the multilingual audience, so we would request you to present your evening discourse in English, and you can of course mix with some chaste Tamil. We welcome you once again.
सिद्धि विनायक मूर्ति की जय। हर हर नमः पार्वती पतये। हर हर महादेवा। जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय। शांति ब्रह्म एकनाथ महाराज की जय। जगत गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय। संत शिरोमणि नामदेव महाराज की जय। सर्व संतनों की जय। बोला पुंडलीका वरदे हरि विठले। समस्त देवता मूर्ति की जय वीर धीर सुरांजनेय स्वामी की जय। पंढरी सारिका क्षेत्र नागाही पंढरी सारिका क्षेत्र नाही पुंडलिक सारिका भक्त नाही तुकाराम सारिका सद्गुरु नाही विठोबा सारिका विठोबा सारिका विठोबा सारिका दैवनाकी पंढरी सारिका क्षेत्र नाही पुंडली सारिका भक्त नागी तुकाराम सारिका सद्गुरु नागी विठोबा सारिका देवनागी विठोबा सारिका देवनागी। जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि 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 राम कृष्ण हरि नित्य गोविंद गोपाल जप सर्व निर्मल नित्य गोविंद गोपाल जप सर्व निर्मल जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि 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 सदानंद केशव मुखी नाम उच्चारावे सदानंद केशव मुखी नाम उच्चारावे तुका मने शोभा नाम निवारित तपा तुका मने शोभा नाम निवारित तपा तुका मने शोभा नाम निवारित जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि 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 राम कृष्ण हरि जय जय Jai Ram Krishna Hari, Jai 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 Jai Ram Krishna Hari, Ram Krishna Namaste to all Astikas who have gathered here for this satsang. We all are delighted and humbled to participate in a satsang on this auspicious Ekadashi day. As we all know, rarest of rare is to get a human birth. Manikavasaka beautifully explains Pullagi, Pudagi, Palmirgamagi, Paravayai, Pambagi. There are innumerable births according to Srimad Bhagavata and all other revered Puranas. So, after achieving all these millions and millions of births, one attains a precious and rare human birth. Bhakta Meera beautifully explains this. Every birth of us as a new t-shirt. Bhakta Meera explains, oh, this is after all 5-colored dress. She exclaims, we usually refer this body as Pancha Bhautikamana Shariram. But Meera explains it differently as 5-colored dress. As we all take bath the next day, we change the dress. Likewise, we get innumerable births in order to attain the final goal of Sanatana Dharma, Moksha. So, how blessed we all are to attain this precious human birth, and also a human birth which makes us sit in a satsang or listen to Bhagavan Namas or always be surrounded by Astikas. Kanchi Mahaswami of Sri Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham, the 68th Pontiff Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swamigal, would always usually explain this rare and blissful human birth as we all ride a bicycle, and usually when we stop riding a bicycle, what will happen? The bicycle would pedal itself in a slow pace before it comes into a halt. Likewise, the Punya Phalas accumulated by our ancestors is what driving us to satsang. We can't claim that proud moments, as these are all happening due to the merits, punya phalas of our ancestors, and that blessings is what driving us today to temples or satsangs or listening to stotras or engaging in a grounded Astika community, devout community, and so on. So, Acharya says, if you think that the cycle would pedal itself, one day the cycle would come to a halt. Likewise, the Punya Palas of our ancestors are working, and if we are not peddling it properly, how will the next generation handle it? Nevertheless, the Manushya Janma should concentrate only on accumulating Punya Phala. This human birth, as we all know, is rare and precious. Bhagavan has given prescription for all yugas. In Krita Yuga, it was by deep dhyana one can attain the lotus feet of God. In Treta Yuga, yagas and yajnas can make us go closer to the holy feet of Bhagavan. In Dwapara Yuga, mere archana is more than enough to attain Bhagavan's holy feet. And here, in Kali Yuga, it is as simple as that. Just Nama Smarana, Nama Sankirtana, just by chanting Bhagavan's name, makes us closer to Bhagavan. Tyagaraja Swami beautifully explains his cherished moments of being soaked in Rama Bhakti. As we all know, Tyagaraja Swami is a great Rama Bhakta of those times. Once, a great sadhu gave Upadesha to Tyagaraja Swami to chant 100 crores Rama Nama to have the darshan of Lord Rama. Immediately, when he got to know this info, he started chanting Rama Nama. Years gone, days gone, he was just soaked in the sweetness of Rama Nama. Once, somebody knocked the door. Tyagaraja Swami thinks, oh, people would only knock the doors of wealthy people, and I'm a pauper. I'm a bhikshu. I have a dhanam. What is that dhanam? It is Rama dhanam. Rama Nama is my only dhanam. Who's coming and knocking the door of my... In this early morning, when he opened, he saw the darshan of Sakshat Rama Lakshmana with sage Vishwamitra. It is Yaga Sambrakshana Kolam, not with Sita. It is Yaga Sambrakshana Kolam. Rama gave darshan to Tyagaraja Swami, like how he went to Tataka Vada with Rama, Lakshmana, sage Vishwamitra. When he saw that bountiful grace, bountiful darshan of Lord, he was completely mesmerized and he lacked words. He just sings Balakanakamaya Chela Sujana Paripalakanakamaya Chela Sujana Paripala Shri Ramalola Vidrita Jara Jala Shubhadam Karunalavala Gananila Novya Vanamalika Baranayelani Dayaradu. He calls Rama, 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 Devadi, Deva, Rajiva Lochana. He calls Rama. He was gracious enough to give you a darshan, but only for a minute. Don't they deserve at least for 5 minutes of darshan? Rama, Devadi, Deva, Rajiva Lochana. Raja Swami has given innumerable sahityas as a great asset to mankind. Sada Rama Bhakti, Nischala Bhakti was his Pradhana service to Bhagavan. We all know the lives of these saints. Like how I explained in the last lecture, listening to the stories of Bhagavan is great, but listening to the stories of Bhagavadottama saints are the greatest fortune for us, as we can inspire from these lives. If we listen to Bhagavan stories, after few hours we will say, oh, he is Bhagavan, he can do anything. How can I do like that? Oh, it is not possible in this Kali Yuga. We would come to a conclusion immediately. But listening to the Bhagavadottama's own stories would make us stand in their shoes and finally try to implement at least one trait from them, which is sufficient for us to cross the samsara sagara. Bhagavan assures us, just chant my name, that alone is more than enough. I'll take care of everything. In this Kali Yuga, though Ramavatara and Krishnavatara are celebrated as Purnavataras, Paripurnam in all aspects, I would say Lord Vithala, the reincarnation of Sakshat Krishna, he who stands beautifully in the shores of Chandrabhaga, Bhima Nadi, he who holds his hands in the hips, indicating that Samsara Sagara is just an indication that mere chanting or worshipping me would graciously give you Moksha Samrajya. Samsaram iduppu alavukku kaatra. The Bhagavan, who holds Shankha, Chakra, Vaijayanti, Shobhita, Makara Kundala, he who has come for his ardent devotee Pundalika. Why did he come? As he worshipped his own father and mother. See, worshipping Bhagavan is next. Giving respect and worshipping Mata Pita holds supreme in all aspects, and that aspects attracts Bhagavan himself to bless us. Not Vedas or Shastras or Agamas. Needed is at least take care of the parents, and that would merit, that would augur well the Moksha Samradhya. He beautifully illustrates the life history. In our Venkateshwara temple, we listen to the story of Bhanudasa. Long story short, Bhanudasa is the greatest saint who brought Panduranga from Hampi to Pandharpur, as Bhagavan did a beautiful leela by himself. Today, let us all delve into the story of Bhanudasa's grandson, Ekanath. See, Ekanath's charitra would be truly inspiring for all of us. While we are rushing our day-to-day lives, Ekanath's life would beautifully carve luminous paths on Guru's grace. Bhanudasa's lineage carried forward his profound devotion. Just like great-grandfather, Ekanatha was one who remained unwavering in his devotion. From early childhood, this Ekanatha, this little one, yearned to attain wisdom through the guidance of a guru. Ekanatha was earnestly and honestly trying to get the wisdom of a guru, and he was guided by the divine vision of Panduranga. Panduranga guided him to the great Janardana Maharaj as his guru. Dear Astikas, Janardana Maharaj was a great guru. He had innumerable students to his merit. Veda, Shastra, Niyama, Pranayama, everything he would make the students excel in their respective fields, and they would come, seek the guidance of a guru, get their own wisdom, and would go away to pursue their professions. This Ekanatha came to the shadow of this guru, Janardana Maharaj. But Ekanatha remained steadfast in his humility, dedicating himself solely to his guru. People would usually come to Pathashala for learning things, but he will not. Ekanatha would come, he will cook, he will cut vegetables, he will milk cows, he will attend to the ashram's daily needs. For 12 long years, he just performed all these stuffs and did not try even to learn a single thing from Guru. Guru was craving that his Shishya will at least ask a few questions to get guidance at least once a day, at least once a month, at least once a year. No, never. 12 long years, he was completely involved in cleaning, milking cows, cooking, cutting vegetables, cleaning everything. One night, Ekanatha was meticulously tallying accounts late in the night. Guru Janardana Maharaj, observing his diligence, approached him, tried to approach him multiple times, but Ekanatha remained engrossed. At last, Ekanatha exclaimed, finally, he came to the Shishya, 10 p.m., no response. 1 a.m., no response. By 2:30 a.m., a sound came. I found out. Ekanatha from Janardana Maharaj thought that, Ekanatha should have got wisdom. Only for that he is screaming in this midnight. Guru intrigued and asked, "Hey, Ekanatha, what happened?" Gurunatha, it was a minor accounting discrepancy that it got resolved. Guru was speechless. What will he do? He's trying to explain things, he's trying to explain each and every wisdom, but he's not at all receiving, he's not at all in the receiving, and he's in some other world, engrossed only in Guru's kripa, engrossed completely in Guru's seva. Overwhelmed with emotion, Janardana Maharaj lamented, Ekanatha, have you taught you only this? என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா ஒரு தம்படி எடுக்கிறதுங்கற. Dampadi means less than 50 paise INR you keep. He was trying to find out that amount. If we are in his shoes, we'll say, hey, 50 paisa pochu. Just a minute. less than 50 paise means whether we will get tension. Oh, we will easily say our Guru, hey, sorry, I left it somehow. Pocket line I left it somehow. We will say casually and leave that place. But this Ekanatha was lamenting like anything. Finally, after he found out that missed accounting discrepancy, he screamed, I found out. Guru Janardana Maharaj felt very bad, overwhelmed with emotion. Janardana Maharaj lamented, Ekanatha, have I taught you only this? Your humility surpasses even the desire for Ashtama Siddhi. As your Guru, it pains me. That is all you are inspiring to do be. Dattatreya must bestow his grace upon you. You know, Janardana Maharaj's Ishta Devata was Dattatreya Swami. The complete embodiment of Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. So, Dattatreya Swami, Janardana Maharaja is praying Dattatreya Swami, hey Dattatreya Swami, you must shower your grace, you must give your personal attention to my student or else he will never ever get pass mark at least. Tomorrow, if I am your true sevaka, you should give your darshan to my student Ekanatha. Dattatreya Swami will never ever fail to follow anything that Janardana Maharaj wishes. So next day, Ekanatha started to bring water, fetch water from the river. He takes one long stick, here one vessel, he is taking. While bringing water from the river, in the beautiful vriksha, Autumbra vriksha, Dattatreya Swami will usually give darshan in Autumbra vriksha. Below Autumbra vriksha, Shangha Chakra of Vishnu, Damaru and Trishula of Shiva, Kamandalu and lotus of Brahma, accompanied by 4 Vedas as dogs and Dharma Devata as an ox. Dattatreya Swami radiated a majesty that even rishis long to behold that beautiful sight. Parama Sanatana Vishwabaruni Urala Guru Dattaraj Rishi Kunanta Vadarila Smitaramya Vadana Kashaya Vadana Dari Piyusha Yukta Kari Ratna Jagita Jari. Beautifully, Dattatreya gave darshan to who? Ekanatha. Ekanatha came. He saw Dattatreya Swami. He gave Ashtanga Pranamam. For a minute, he closed his eyes and he started. He started. Ekanatha, here overwhelmed, he had composed before the Lord. Dattatreya Bhagavan placed his Divya Paduka on Ekanatha's head. And Ekanatha humbly returned to the ashram. We will faint, we will cry, we will do all stuffs, right? But Ekanatha didn't even try to do anything. He went as usual he went. Janardana Maharaja was eager to see the reaction of the student. He knows for the value that Dattatreya would have given the greatest majestic darshan to his Shishya. So he wanted to test how his Shishya receives that darshan. So he was exam he's somewhat very tensed to see the reaction. Ekanatha came, very cool, composed. He came, he kept that vessel, and he started cutting vegetables. What is this? Guru Mariyadalyo. Shocked, Janardana Maharaja thought that he will come at least after 5 minutes. Gurunatha, hey, you know, I had a greatest darshan of Dattatreya Swami. Nothing. He's going, cutting vegetables, putting columns, lighting lamps. Janardana Maharaja cannot handle this tension. So, Janardana Maharaja called Ekanatha, how are you? Fantastic, Gurunatha, with your grace. We should ask the question directly without putting these indirect questions. This body is not at all answering properly. So, Ekanatha, I am asking you a direct question. Did you see Dattatreya Swami or not? Or not? Reaction Did you see Dattatreya Swami? Ekanatha smilingly said, yes, Gurunatha. With your grace, I saw Dattatreya Swami. I did pranamam. I came as we need to cook, right? You can order. Right? Kukka. He can't get this emotion. He told. Stunned, the Guru asked, why are you remaining unmoved by such an extraordinary darshan? Ekanatha responded, can you ever imagine, O Swami, Gurunatha, did I seek your help for Bhagavan's darshan? Guru Abati Varkelvi Kekarar. Did I seek your help for Bhagavan's darshan? Clueless Guru is taken aback. Hey, Ekanatha added, for me, the grace of my Guru is ultimate. Gurunatha, pardon me. I cannot differentiate between the grace of Bhagavan Janardana and Guru Janardana. My Guru is my God. I don't need a Bhagavan. I only need you. To me, my Guru holds greater significance. What a profound truth. He sings, Guru Mata, Guru Pita, Guru Mata, Guru Pita, Guru Vamuchit, Kuda Devata, Guru Vamuchit, Kuda Devata, Guru Mata, Guru Pita, Guru Mata, Guru Pita, Guru Vamuchit, Kula Devata, Guru Amuchi, Kula Devata, Gora Patata Sagam Gandim, Gora Patata Sagam Gandim, Guru Rakshi Mage Pute, Guru Rakshi Mage Pute, Kaya Vajani Manam, Kaya Vajani Manam, Kaya Vajani Manam, Kaya Vajani Manam, Guru Charani Agarpana, Guru Charani Agarpana, Yekajanadani Sharanam, Yekajanadani Sharanam, Guru Yeka Janardana, Guru Yeka Janardana. The song is by Sant Ekanatha. We can listen to this mudra, Eka Janardani. People would keep their mudra in the song, but here, in every song, Ekanatha made a habit that his mudra should be half of his Guru and half of him. Eka from Ekanatha, Janardani. Eka Janardani. The teachings of Ekanatha are pure and untainted. He explains in a Abhang, if you rub your eyes with the divine eye wash kajal called Guru Kripa, you will see Rama everywhere. Guru Kripa Anjana Payo Mere Bai Rama Bina Kacho Dekatanayi Guru Kripa Anjana Antar Rama Bahir Rama अंतर राम बाहिर राम, जगह देखो बखाम राजागी रामा, गुरु कृपा अंजन पायो मेरे भाई, राम बिना कछु देखत नाही, गुरु कृपा अंजन. As time flowed like a gentle river, an important moment arrived. One serene day, Eknatha was sitting in the tinning. Eknath was sitting in the balcony of his humblest abode when a 12-year-old boy appeared to him. In those days, introductions were not by name but by lineage. Oh, which parampara you are from? They will ask. Oh, what is your name? Which place are you from? They will never ask. So, Eknatha inquired, from where have you come, my child? Who are your parents? What is your gotra and what is your sutra? The boy with a radiant smile replied, Gurunatha, oh, he haven't taken him as Shishya, but he is explaining, Gurunatha, I have neither father nor mother. I hail from the sacred Dwaraka and I am called as Krishna. My name is Kandiya Krishna. People fondly call me Kandiya Krishna. Eknatha, can I stay with you? Can I serve you? Can I get that blessed opportunity? Please don't deny that blessed moments. Eknatha had no offspring, felt a surge of affection to this boy. With boundless kripa, he welcomed into his home, adoringly called him as Kandiya Krishna, Kandiya Krishna, Kandiya Krishna. Soon, very soon, Kandiya Krishna has become an inevitable character in the home. Kandiya Krishna, though youthful, was endowed with rare wisdom and devotion. What will he do? He will wash Eknatha's muddy clothes, fanning and massaging him, preparing for Suprabhatam, chopping vegetables, same thing. What Eknatha did, everything he is being done by. So, he will chop vegetables, he will massage Gurunatha's weary feet, he will grind chandana for Abhisheka Archana, he will bring flowers, he will tie into garlands, tending to every minute of ashrama's daily needs he will attend to. Above all, the boy delighted in reading Eknatha's Bhagavatam. We all know Srimad Bhagavatam, but in North India, Eknatha's Bhagavatam is very popular. Eknath Bhagavatam. Eknath Maharaj has written Bhagavata, the greatest grantha in his times, and even today, Varkari people would happily read the Eknath Bhagavata. His only concentration would be in reading Bhagavata. Guru Eknatha will write Bhagavata in the morning. Afternoon, when he is taking rest, Sishya Kandiya Krishna would completely read everything. And in the evening, Eknatha would give lectures on the written Bhagavata notes from that morning. So Kandiya Krishna, his praises for the granthas were as unending as the ocean's waves. He would love like anything, earning him even greater compliment in his household. One day, as we know, Kandiya Krishna is everything in that home. Keep the story aside. A great yogi went to Pandharpur. That yogi had the greatest tapas that wherever he goes, the temple presiding deity would speak with him. That yogi went to Pandharpur and he was surprised. He was trying to connect with Panduranga. Panduranga is not at all answering. He was asking that yogi, hey Krishna, what is happening? he went to Dwarka. In Dwarka, Krishna did not reply. He was puzzled. What has happened? Ashariri came, Akash Vani. My dear child, don't try to get my words here. Come and meet me in the Paitan village. That is Pradishtanapuram. It was called in the early days. It is currently Paitan. Come to me and I am in Ekanatha's home and let's meet there. He is puzzled. He was coming all the way from Dwaraka to Pradishtanapuram, Paitan. He was asking, oh, do you know Ekanatha? Where is his home? Do you know? People are, oh, that useless fellow. We don't know. Everyone knows home of Ekanatha, but they don't like, because he is very rich. He doesn't need to work and fetch money. He was a parampara wealthier person, and so he is completely in the Bhagavan Nama Kainkariya. People are all not good to Ekanatha, so no one helped him find Ekanatha's house, and finally somebody helped him. That yogi came to Ekanatha's home. That time Ekanatha was in the Thinnai, one side of the Thinnai. He was writing Ekanath Bhagavata. This person, yogi, came. Swami, do you know where is Ekanatha's home? Ekanatha smiled at him. Ademus, Ekanatha, what do you want? Oh, okay. He was in the middle of something. He was in the middle of writing Bhagavata. So he cannot engage in a detailed conversation. So, what do you want? He told. Oh, I want Krishna. I want to meet Krishna, and hence I came here. Oh, you want to meet Krishna? Wait, he has gone to fetch water. He will come, don't worry. He started raining, he was waiting. Oh, Krishna will come, it seems, fetching water. He thought he was waiting in the Thinnai, that balcony. Our Kuti hero, Kandya Krishna came. Kandya Krishna knows everything, obviously. He saw Ekanatha. He gave a Kripa Kataksha to Ekanatha in one eye. He gave a Kripa Kataksha to the yogi. But yogi doesn't know who he is. So he was blinking like anything. Kandya Krishna went inside, kept everything. He grinded chandana, he chopped vegetables, he kept everything ready for puja. And Dhupa, Deepa, Naivedya, he kept everything ready. And he was in the middle of something. Ekanatha completed that day's portion of Bhagavatam, and he is seeing that person, yogi, sitting in that next tent. Oh Swami, you asked for Krishna. I told them Krishna will come, and then Krishna came, you saw. But why are you not engaging with him and sitting next to me? What is the problem? The yogi cannot understand anything. Swami, what do you say? I told that I wanted to meet Krishna. Which Krishna? I thought you are asking for my Sishya Kandya Krishna. What? Your Sishya Kandya Krishna? I came here to meet Sakshat Paramatma Krishna. Swami, how can Paramatma Krishna be in my court? What are you speaking? Yogi explained, no. Ekanatha ji, while I went to Dwaraka, Krishna told that he is staying in your home for the past 12 years. Is it? He was crying like anything. Keshava Madhava Govinda Gopala. He is crying like anything. Oh Bhagavan, are you playing with me? I don't know, it is you who was with me for these 12 years. I made you to massage my feet. I made you to grind chandana for your own puja. Oh, you did garland of flowers for your own puja. You milked cows. Oh, Damodara Krishna. What grave mistake did I do? I cannot do anything. He is searching for his wife. Hey, Krishna Patiya, did you see Krishna? His wife, oh, I have sent him to the nearest shop to get something. Oh, you have sent Krishna to fetch some vegetables or something? Oh, he's explaining to his wife, hey, we have made Krishna as a servant in this home. Can one do like that? Only in Sanatana Dharma, I would always reiterate, Bhagavadottamas are held more supreme than Bhagavan. Bhagavan, பெரியது கேட்கின்றவள் வேலை பெரிது பெரிது புவனமோ நாமுகன் படைப்பு நான் முகனோ கரியமால் உந்தியில் வந்தோன் கரியமாலோ அலை கடல் துயின்றோன் அலைகடலோ குறுமுனி எங்க இல்லடக்கம் குறுமுனியோ கலசத்துள்ளடக்கம் கலசமோ புவியில் சிறுமன் புவியோ அரவனுக்கு ஒரு கல்பாரம் அரவோ உமையவள் சிறுவிரல் மோதிரம் உமையோ இறைவர் பாக தொடுக்கும் இறைவரோ தொண்டர் உள்ளத்தடக்கும் தொண்டர் தம் பெருமை சொல்லவும் பிரிதே. Bhagavadottamas are held more significant than Bhagavan himself. It is only in this Sanatana Dharma, Hindu Dharma, more than Bhagavan Nama, more than Bhagavan Nama is supreme. More than Bhagavan Nama, the Nami who is chanting Bhagavan Nama is held more supreme. Finally, the dust and dust particles of Bhagavadottama are supreme than God himself. It is the secret of Sanatana Dharma. In all other dharmas, if you ask for, they will say, who is supreme? God is supreme. Here, Bhaktas, saints are supreme. Thank God. We should be more proud that we have belonged to this uncompromising, greatest Sanatana Dharma. So, Eknatha was spellbound after knowing that it is Krishna has come to his home and served for 12 long years. Do you know the secret? What is the takeaway from Eknatha's Charitra? Can somebody tell us? One thing, Eknatha did service to Janardana Maharaj selflessly. It is reflecting immediately in that same Janma of Eknatha. Bhagavan himself, as he served his Guru Janardana Maharaj for 12 years, Bhagavan has come to serve Eknath Maharaj for 12 years. And another secret is, Bhagavan cannot resist reading Bhagavata. Finally, he will complete the book and give in Vaikuntham. Who will wait? So Bhagavan himself came and read the books. When he writes in the morning, he will read in the afternoon. So Bhagavan cannot resist reading Bhakta's words. If we are ardent enough in our faith, Bhagavan would answer prayers. Bhagavan would help me. Yes, Bhagavan is more than your friend. If you show true bhakti, paripurna sharanagati. A beautiful abhang would portray a bhakta's ardent bhakti towards Vithala. Dharila Pandharicha Chora, Dharila Pandharicha Chora. Oh, I have found out that thief of Pandhari. He exclaims, Dharila Pandharicha Chora, Gadam Banduniya Tora. Dharila Pandharicha Chora, Gadam Banduniya Tora. Dharila Pandharicha Chora. Hridaya Banti Kana Kela, Hridaya Banti Kana Kela, Hridaya Banti Kana Kela, Am to Vithala Kondila, Hridaya Banti Kana Kela, Am to Vithala Kondila, Dharila. पंढरीचा चोरा दरिला पंढरीचा चोरा. This song Abhang beautifully explains the thief, this Bhakta has locked Panduranga into the prison of heart. Panduranga is begging, hey, please leave me, I will go, I will jump and go. This Bhakta explains, hey Panduranga, I will never ever leave you till my last breath. Hridaya Banti Kana Kela, you can play inside my heart soulfully, as wherever you can go. Right ventricles, left ventricles, wherever you can go. But I cannot leave you outside my heart. Hridaya Banti Kana Kela, Amda Vittala Kondila. Why is it so? Why Panduranga can't escape from this Bhakta's heart? Because he explains, Panduranga, you cannot even try to escape. Because I have tied you with a rope called Paripurna Sharanagati. Panduranga Krishna, you will be my soulmate forever and be happy as always in my heart, and I would also be happy. There are innumerable stories around Pandharpur. We have just listened to only one story, Ekanatha. Ekanatha's charitra is even as deep as Ganges. As I have told earlier, we can do a Saptaham, 7-day discourse, only even taking Ekanatha's own charitra. But due to time constraint, we can't explain everything. But I honestly feel that after listening to these charitras, Panduranga will inspire you to all at least read one page of the Mahabhakta Vijayam, have a glance of it, enjoy it, and share to your families and friends. Bhakti is the greatest boon in this life. I will share two small stories and come to conclusion. We all know Samartha Ramadasa. Who is he? The guru of the mighty Hindu warrior Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. We all know that Chhatrapati Shivaji was righteously guided by Samartha Ramadas, who was none other than the greatest Maruti Avatara. Was the Amsha of Maruti. Once, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja came to the ashram of Samartha Ramadasa and requested to give an appointment for one day as he is going to Pandharpur for Rajya Abhishekam. Samartha Ramadasa told, oh sorry, I cannot come. As you know, I have ardent faith only on Lord Rama and no one else. Even Panduranga, even Krishna, he doesn't accepts. Since I am attached only to Lord Rama, I don't like coming and participating in Pandharpur Yatra, Pandharpur or Rajya Abhishekam. But Chhatrapati Shivaji was very keen. Gurunatha, if you are not coming, I would rather cancel this Rajya Abhishekam. Samartha Ramadasa thought, oh, his Shishya is doing one good thing, why should I intervene and confuse it? Okay, I would come. He noted down the tithi, time, everything. His worry was not to go before the time, because it would be approachable to Panduranga. Somebody would take him to Panduranga. He don't like that. Because he was so concentrated that he is not at all inclined towards the darshan of Panduranga. He noted down the tithi, nari, everything, and finally he went to Pandharpur. Usually we all know Pandharpur with usual hustle bustle. Devoid of those hustle bustle, Pandharpur was in calm pace. He cannot understand what is happening here. Are we on the wrong place? Are we on the wrong date? What has happened? He asked the flower vendor lady, Ma, Shivaji Maharaja, I heard that he is doing Rajya Abhisheka today, but no one is here in the cities, streets. That flower vendor lady smiles and says, Hey, Sami, I think you are wrong today. If our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja is doing Rajya Abhisheka, will these streets be silent like this? Never. You have come. Something has happened wrong. So he found that something has happened wrong and he would immediately vacate this place. He is trying to go back. He is taking a U-turn. That flower and the lady calls, Oh, Sami, having been came all through this time, just have a darshan of Panduranga. What is wrong with it? But he doesn't want to. But he thought, okay, let me have a darshan of Panduranga. Will you be pleased? No, never. I will be pleased only on seeing the darshan of Lord Rama and no, Panduranga, I will never ever feel happy. Just I would have a darshan. These people are saying, why should I not do that? Just I would have a darshan of Panduranga. He went and he saw Lord Panduranga. There was no Panduranga, but Rama with his beautiful Dhanush, Sita, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna. Samartha Ramadas felt very happy and surprised. He ran towards the Vigraha of Lord Rama, and when he tried to cajole Lord Rama, it was Panduranga who was keeping his hands in the hips. Vada va. Kshanam. And Akashavani was audible. Samartha Ramadasa, I am the one who holds Shiva Dhanush with Sita and Lakshmana. I am the same Panduranga. It is me and me alone. There is no difference between myself and Rama. Rama, Panduranga, Panduranga, Rama are one and the same. Immediately Samartha Ramadasa was ignited and illuminated. He cries, Oh, tappu pannitene. Please give me a kshama. Pardon me. Amkim aparadim aho Rama. Amkim aparadim aho Rama. Amkim kamkim drida buddhi aho Rama. Amkim aparadim aho Rama. Similar story with Narahari Sonar. He is a gifted goldsmith and he is an ardent Shiva Bhakta. He'll never ever see Krishna. Even Krishna Bhaktas, that sort of Shiva Bhakti. When people in the temple's management at Pandhari requested to do, he built for Panduranga, he sent his apprentice. Hey, I will not come. Let my Sishyas do check the measurement and come. They went. It was always quarter-inch loose, quarter-inch tight. Who is he? He is Damodaran, right? Amma wale kattamudile ivala yaru? He is Damodaran, quarter-inch loose, quarter-inch. Finally, after trying for about 20 to 30 times, he is fed up. Okay, let me go in person and try that. But I cannot see Panduranga with this eyes. So he tied a black cloth rope and he went to the darshan of Panduranga. Not darshan. He just went to take the measurement. when he took the measurement, how will Panduranga be? Two beautiful eyes, nose, ears, like all of us. But when he touched the idol of Panduranga, he felt as if it is a linga, molukku smootha, mastakalinga, swarupalinga, rupa panga, sajjana sanga, yedukula tilaka, manmada janaka, patita pavana, dina dayala, vittala, yare, pandadinaya, vittala, yare, vitala, 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 Panduranga, 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 vitala, 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 Panduranga, vitala, vitala, jai jai vitala, 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 vitala, jai jai vitala, 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 jai jai vitala, 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 jai jai vitala. Panduranga, Panduranga, Panduranga. Thus, in this auspicious Ekadasi day, let us cherish the moments of the satsang and always try to chant Bhagavan Nama as much as possible. That is the simplest prescription that God in any day, any time could ever give. So, let us all chant Bhagavan Nama Sada and
there is a small request from Padmalaji that if we can just, because there are few new attendees today, like you the other day in your discourse you were saying how Panduranga came to Pandharipur. Just that bit alone, because everyone.
I thought I should not repeat. So
no, absolutely, but there was a request.
So going back to the story.
Sorry.
Ji is asking for how once Panduranga did a miracle as he went to Pandharpur to Hampi and then he was back to Hampi to Pandharpur.
How did Panduranga first
How did he came?
Oh, that story.
The birth of
Who is Panduranga? That was, okay. I just gave a glimpse in the introduction that Krishna is Panduranga. But I thought most of these people were once listening and so I don't want to repeat it. Okay. Anyways, people would think that Panduranga and Krishna are different. No, Panduranga is the same Krishna. Once, Krishna was bored on receiving too many guests in Dwaraka. Everyone are giving one bouquet, he is taking, keeping, same thing happening every minute, every time. So, Krishna was fed up on receiving guests. And finally, when celestial sage Narada came, Krishna asked Narada, hey Narada, everyone are trying to come to me and have darshan. Do you know anyone in this world to whom I would love to meet them in person? Bhagavan himself thought that Narada would answer negatively, but Narada immediately gave a positive reply. Oh yes, of course. There is one person in Dintiravana, his name Pundalika. Is it so? What is Pundalika doing? He is serving his own parents. Matru Pitru Bhakti. Not doing penance or something. He is serving his own parents. Matru Pitru Bhakti. Krishna, after listening to this point, cannot resist himself, jumps from Dwaraka to Dintiravana, and in Dintiravana, in a kutti small modest hut, Pundalika was serving his own parents. He is massaging his parents' feet. When Krishna came, Pundalika, he was trying to meet Pundalika. But Pundalika was very busy in taking care of his parents. Pundalika told, oh, you whoever be, please wait for some time. I will make my parents to sleep and then I would attend you. Krishna was waiting. Who? Jagat Srishtikarta, Karana Bhuta, Parapara Bhagavan is waiting. Immediately he got it out. Oh, yesterday was raining heavily, so I would rather throw this stone so that the unseen visitor can stand in that. And he threw a brick, not even in his right hand, in left hand, because in right hand he is massaging his parents' feet, right? So he threw a brick, just a brick, to the unseen visitor. Krishna saw the brick, was very happy. Oh, my Bhakta has given this brick, and he stood upon that very brick. Samacharani ubha chaitanya chitapa Trailokyacha shobha pandurangam Bhaktanche jivana sadhakanche sadhana Krupalu nirantara panduranga Krupalu nirantara panduranga Samacharani ubha chaitanya chetaba Trailokyacha shobha panduranga Bhaktanche jivana sadhakanche sadhana. He is Bhakta's Jivan and Sadhaka's Sadhana. Bhagavan is waiting in the brick offered by his own Bhakta Pundalika. Waiting and waiting. Finally, after his parents went to deep slumber, he came out and to shock and surprise. Sakshat Krishna was waiting. Hey Krishna, what made me to do this mistake? I made you to wait. Crores and crores of people are waiting to have a glimpse of you. But I haven't made you to wait. But Krishna was very happy. See, Pundalika, don't cry, don't waste the time. I came here to see, witness your beautiful worship of your own parents, which even I can't do. Because Krishna has no parents. He just created for his happiness. Prashni, Shudapa, Yashoda, Nandagopa, Devaki, Vasudeva, all are his creation. And truly, who would be Krishna's own parents? He is the parents of all. Right? So Krishna felt very happy. He's ready to give boon for Pundalika. But Pundalika, poor Pundalika, cannot even ask for a boon. He does not know how to ask for, what to ask for. Finally, ஏதாவது கேளு அப்படின்னு உடனே Pundalika says, oh Krishna, you are very adamant in giving boons, but I can't ask you for a boon. I don't know anything. I don't want anything. But you are so much inclined to give me boon. Every day I take my father and mother to Bhima river for bath. Though I take them physically, they are not quite comfortable while they are transported. Can you please change the course of the Bhima river near my home, next to my home? Krishna smiles. Oh Bhakta, you even cannot ask a boon for yourself. You are even asking that boon for your own parents. Tathastu. Only due to that, the Bhima river is called as Chandrabhaga, half crescent moon shaped. Chandrabhaga. செங்கல் மேலே நின்றிருக்கும் பாண்டுரங்காயா எங்கள் கவலை தீர்த்து வைப்பாய் பாண்டுரங்கா. மங்கை ருக்குமா தேவி கொஞ்சம் பாண்டுரங்கா உந்தன் திங்கள் முகத்தை காண வேண்டும் பாண்டுரங்கா. பாண்டுரங்கா ஓ பாண்டுரங்கா. சந்தனம் பூசிய மார்பு தன்னில் பாண்டுரங்கா நீயும் சுந்தர துளசி மாலைகளில் பாண்டுரங்கா. புண்டரீகா got the greatest boon of changing the course of the river from Bhima river to Chandrabhaga. Now Bhagavan asks, hey, immediately I want to give you another boon. For yourself, ask for anything and I would love to give you that boon. He's crying now, Pundalika. Hey Krishna, I don't deserve your darshan at all. I did not read Vedas, Agamas, Puranas, Shastras, nothing. I was poor Bhakta. Do I deserve your darshan? If you are generous enough, kind enough, courteous enough to give your holy darshan to me, I would ask you a boon for all the bhaktas of Bhuloka. Stand in the same posture as you did for me, and for all the manmantras, all the bhaktas, let them soak in your darshan. And due to that special request from Pundalika, Panduranga is standing in the brick in the same posture, and we are all having a splendid moment to witness, touch Bhagavan, enjoy Bhagavan, everything, sing hymns, abhams to him, and rejoice the presence of Bhagavan in this Kali Yuga, each and every minute. Pandharpur is not something too far. Pandharpur is in our hearts. Panduranga is in our special heart, and let us cherish the presence of Antaratma, Antaryami Panduranga in our hearts and offer a Harati to Panduranga. Please close your eyes and just do a Manasika Harati. Very happy to attend the satsang, and let us all immerse, soak ourselves. You all know Panduranga's magnificence, and let us all think of that majestic glory of Panduranga, and let us all soak in the bhakti. Let us all do Manasika Harati. Jayadeva Jayadeva Jaya Panduranga Hari Panduranga Rakhumai Vallabha Raicha Vallabha Ravi Jivalaga Jayadev Yuge Yatta Visa Vitevari Upa Vamangi Rakhumai Gise Divya Shobha Pundalika Je Beti Parabrahma Leka Sharani Vahe Bhima Uttari Jaga Jayadev Jayadev Jayadeva Jayadeva Jaya Panduranga Hari Panduranga Rakhumai Vallabha Raicha Vallabha Ravi Jivalaga Jayadev Danya Venunada Anukshetra Balam Swarnasi Kamalam Vanamala Kalam Rahi Rakuma Bayi Raniya Sakalam Ovali Tiraja Vittu Batavla Jayadev आई वल्लभराईच्या वल्लभ गावीची बळगा जय जय आषाढ कार्तिकी भक्तजन येती चंद्रभागे माझी स्नान जो करीती दर्शन घेला मात्र दया होया मुक्ती दर्शन घेला मात्र दया होया मुक्ती केशवासी नामदेव भावी उभाळीती जय देव जय देव जय देव हरी विठ्ठल विठ्ठल जय जय विठ्ठल 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 जय जय विठ्ठल 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 जय जय 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 विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठल पांडुरंगा विठ्ठल पांडुरंगा हरी 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 बोला पुंडलिका वरदे हरी विठ्ठल. Thank you, Sangeeta ji and Bhaskar ji, for beautifully hosting this satsang. Indeed, very happy to see all of you. We all have got the opportunity to at least chant Bhagavan Nama in this Ekadasi. Truly blessed I am, and you're all also. And I just wanted to share that you can always connect with me through my social media channels, Facebook, YouTube, Insta and everything. Katha Sindhu is my ID, KATHASIN. I can give you my visiting card also. Katha Sindhu, KATHASINDDHU. So, and also, I am pursuing my PhD on the topic socio-cultural impact of Harikatha. And I would appreciate if you could help me with a Google survey so that I can take the sample space here. And I will give my mobile number, and please take a note of it. And if you message me your name and the place, I would send the Google form. And please, I'm telling the number. Kindly make the note. +91 98. Can you start? +91 98410 92956. +91 98410 92956. Thank you. Thank you, Vasu and Sudarshan ji, for beautifully organizing. You should not say thanks for friends. Thank you. Namaste. बोला पुंडलिका वरदे हरि विठ्ठल समस्त देवता मूर्ति की जय वीरधीर सुरांजनेय स्वामी की जय.
just take. I'll just take 2 more minutes. When Sindhuja started the discourse, she said it's only because of the Purva Punya which has been passed on to us by our ancestors. We are even in this kind of a group. And the Purva Punya month, it's no less at all, especially on this Kamika Ekadasi day. I just received, every Ekadasi day I used to receive a message on what is so special about this particular Ekadasi. And I will just read that message. And I'm going to read only one paragraph of it. Narada goes and asks Lord Brahma, what is so special about this Ekadasi? So he says, my dear son Narada, for the benefit of all humanity, I shall happily tell you everything you wish to know, for just hearing the glories of the Kamika Ekadashi bestows merit equal to that obtained by one who performs a horse sacrifice. And certainly, great merit is attained by one who worships and who also meditates on the lotus feet of the four-armed Lord Gadadhara, who holds a conchal, Sangha, Chakra, Gadadhara, எல்லாத்தையும் வச்சிருக்கிற அந்த கிருஷ்ணரை யார் வேண்டிக்கிறேனோ அவளுக்கு எல்லா புண்ணியமும் கிடைக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறார். அது மட்டும் இல்ல, and the blessings achieved by such a person or devotee who worships Lord Vishnu exclusively are far greater than those achieved by one who takes a sacred bath in the Ganges or at Kashi, in the forest of Naimisharanya, or at Pushkara, which is the only place on the planet where I am formally worshipped. இந்த மாதிரி இதெல்லாம் தாண்டி இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு காமிக ஏகாதசி அன்னைக்கு கிருஷ்ணர் பக்தரை பத்தி just sitting at home, we are able to listen to her Katha Kacheri today, and we are truly blessed. And thank you so much, Sindhuja. She is here for another month in UK, but just on our request, she made a visit to our residence, and we are indeed blessed, and so you all are. We thank you immensely from our heart, where Lord Krishna resides. Thank you, Sindhuja.
Can I say a few words? Respected Sindhuja, though you are very young to me, but because of the knowledge and the seva you are doing, you are respected for that. Because Bhavan Nama, when you are sharing with so many people, especially when we had the event in the Balaji temple, you moved so much. Moved as for Chala Pandari was very moving and wonderful experience it was. And I wish you all the success in your PhD, as well as may God give you long age and to reach millions of people in presence, as well as but it's a great seva. A small felicitation we would like to do. That's it.
And may I invite Sri Rajagopal here, and on behalf of our family, I would request my mother to present a tamulam to Mrs. and Mr. Rajagopal, Mrs. Sindhuja also. Yeah. Amma. Call Amma.
It's on behalf of
Behalf of
all the devotees.
So I'm from Chennai, so we have seen Sindhuja from when she was a child, performing Harikathas. So my mother is a great fan of all Harikatha exponents. Before the start of the event, Sindhuja was talking to me, and she also shared she was not well this afternoon. So there was not a, ஒரு இத்தினோடு கூட நமக்கு தெரியல she was not well because Krishna has guided her and Krishna has led her in this discourse. So he'll always be with you, Sindhuja. And when Rajagopal is there, what is the worry?
Gopal itself is there.
Rajagopal Manargudi and Mamalam. So best wishes to both of you. Of course, you all join us for a prasadam. Inniki Ekadashi adala paatha da ella pannirkom. So can please join us.
Thank you so much.